Now that you've set up your API key, we're going to set up a character. So I have my own personal character set up, but for this example, we're going to set up a new character. So, when you join as a civilian, you will have to input the civilian key here, which I will get just to show you how it works. So you'll input it, blah 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 blah, and then you'll put in permission key, civilian access. You press enter, permission key applied. Obviously it doesn't change for me, but yeah. Cool, now you go to civilian. You'll have something like this, except for this stuff will not be filled in. What you'll do is you go new character. You can type their first name. So let's say I want to create a person by the name Baron Shelley. MI is the middle initial. So let's say it's Baron E. Shelley. Then the date of birth. You don't need to worry about it too much, but let's say they were born in the 11th of June. Normally, if you do this, don't do this. Or you can completely ignore this and just chuck in the age. Let's say they're just 27. They are female. Former/known aliases. So if they were previously known as something, or do they go by something? So let's say Baron goes by, actually that's more of a male name. Let's say they also go by Bar. Maybe they were married before. They might have been Baron some other last name, yeah. Residence. So you can add this if you want to. And that will correlate to your in-game thing. So how you find that is building numbers and make sure you have the street names. So let's say I want to live here. It will be 7095 Franklin Court. So 7095 Franklin Court. And zip code is the postal code. We'll say for this example. So 709. Oops, that's my OBS. 709. And then occupation, let's say they're a retail worker. Their height, you can kind of guesstimate this. Let's say they're like 5'8". They're a short person. They're maybe 75 pounds. I don't forget how you write pounds. They're white. They have blonde or black hair, let's say. And then let's put blue eyes, I guess. And then emergency contact. This would type very interesting. Actually, no. You would write. So if you're doing very interesting roleplay, let's say you have multiple people. Let's say, I don't know, this person's emergency contact would be their sister. So it would be like Elizabeth Shelley. And then I could put sister. And then their contact number, kind of just make it up. You'll see that it puts in this weird format. That's because it's an American number. So, yeah. But you can just kind of make it up. Civilian photo, you don't need to have. But if you do, you can either do it two ways. You can do it through the license, like this. Or you can do it by creating your own license, or just by taking a photo of them. It's completely up to you, or you don't even need to have it. And just click add character, and boom, you now have this. Now, with this person doesn't have a license, it doesn't have a car. What you want to do is you want to go to the DMV, license. As a normal civilian, you won't actually have access to change these. They'll say pending until someone actually approves it. You can go, so you go status, it's valid. It's a driver, so you can have weapon or hunting. Weapon licenses and hunting licenses need to be approved before you can legally carry a weapon. A driver's license, not so much in this case. And then expiration, I'm going to put a random expiration date, so 30th, there we go. And this will autofill in for you. You can add the record. And now if I go to records, refresh, you'll now see that they have a driver's license that is pending by the DMV. Now let's say I wanted to add a car, so vehicle registration, status valid. So you can also declare your own vehicle as stolen. But for this explanation, we're not going. So valid, expiration. Let's say it expires next year. Now let's go get a car, and this will correlate to whatever car you have inside. So here we can see this is 1995. So we can go year 1995. It is a Veilfire, so that's the what do you call it? It's gonna be the make Veilfire, and then the model is the Everett Extended Cab. Everett Extended Cab. Color, it's gonna be red. I don't know what the exact color is. And then spawn this in SND dash 849. And then add the record. And so now, if you get pulled over by the police, or by whatever, they can just search up your plate, and your profile automatically pop up. And so hopefully this will lead to greater RP. Enjoy!